Hey kids, welcome back to the channel. Right now, I just wanted to take a few minutes and go over the hubs that I'm going to be using for the Firebird, for the track car. We're doing a little upgrade because I have found out in, my relentless research that I tend to do, that these cars are notorious for chewing up front hubs, especially when you put them out on the autocross and road courses. They just annihilate the front hubs on a pretty regular basis. So, being that this is an endurance race car, this is something I definitely want to avoid. So there are a few options out there, and I happened to come across this gentleman on one of the F-body groups on Facebook by the name of Michael Gissi. I'm probably butchering your name, dude, and if I am, I'm sorry. But I'm going to put a link to his YouTube channel in the description, or in the video description, and you can reach him there if you're interested in doing one of these setups. But basically what we've got is he makes an adapter, okay? So we've got the factory upright, or the spindle, and then here is one of the factory hubs, and this is the upgraded hub that we're going to be using, and I'll go into details on that in a second. So essentially this guy here, this is backside, front side, this is going to bolt into the factory location here, like so. Okay, that's just stabs in there. And then this guy, you got the 3-bolt bolts onto that. Okay, and it is, and the tolerances are really tight, so it fits super nice. And I just got it sitting on there right now. But what I've got here is these are actually C7 Corvette, the SKF X-tracker hubs. So they're an upgrade from the standard hubs. And we'll do a little side by side here. Actually, we're gonna go like this. So you can see there, significant difference. I mean, even in the flange here, there's more meat there. It's thicker. There's a lot more bearing in here. Just a lot bigger area, so there's a lot bigger bearing inside. This is just tiny in comparison to that. These do not have an ABS sensor, which, whatever, I don't care. That's the other thing that his kit does not have, is the ABS sensor. I'm fine with that. I'm not using ABS. Not a big deal for me. The other thing to know about his kit is that it does add a little bit of width, and you'll have to forgive me, I don't remember. There we go. Such a nice fit. I don't remember the exact amount. It is not a lot. I want to say it's like a quarter to maybe half an inch. I don't remember exactly, but he can verify that for you if you're interested. But in comparison, like Detroit Speed makes a kit that essentially does the same thing. I don't think they use this hub though. I think they use a C5 Corvette X-tracker hub. But he's basically made this kit. He's done it affordably compared to the other kits out there. He's using a hub that is much more affordable. I want to say these hubs were like 125 bucks a piece, which compared to the C5 hubs and even the factory hubs, you're saving money or spending about the same money. So, I mean, for something that's going to last way longer than that, it is almost a no-brainer. If you're going to be tracking your car, you're kind of dumb not to do this, to be honest. So yeah, but here is the hub. There's the part number from SKF. You can go ahead and look those up if you want. And again, I will put his info, his YouTube channel, in the description for the video, and you can hit him up if you want. But I am pretty pumped to get these together and get them on the car, because it's just going to be one last thing that I need to worry about. And you know, if you do any endurance racing, you know that reliability is probably one of the biggest things that you need to worry about so you can stay out on the track. So shout out to Michael. Thanks for putting together a nice little kit here, and I'm pumped to get it on the car. So thanks for watching, guys.